Okay, guys, now for the ninth grade hello target. So it's both here at the Ocean Adventure, we care so much for the environment. Even our sea lions want to do their part to protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. So they form the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. And today we'll see if Zoe has what it takes to become a member of this unique group. So guys, Zoe, are you ready to start?
Let's be observed. Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Good, then let's see. Now to attention.
No problem.
Attention!
Tulog ang
Zoe! Take up! Hey, how about the fish? Oh, I'm sorry she had a long game of frisbee today. She's a little tired.
Well, although when you're a member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol, you must be strong and physically fit.
Strong and physically fit? Not a problem. Drum roll, Rian. How's that for strength, huh?
That was good follow, but Kai, what can you say about that, huh?
Come on, guys. Can I do better?
Yes, of course. Okay, guys, show them what real strength looks like. Okay, guys?
Now that was really good, officer. But you know what, folks? Zoe here can do that no problem, right? No. Kaya mo yun. Come on, why don't you step down here and let's show them your one flipper stand. Go. One, two. Zoe, you don't have a broken flipper.
So follow doesn't mean no 100%.
Oh, sir, maybe not, but watch this. Well, we know, officer, the show is Zoe. That's right. Folks, sea lions have these big and powerful front flippers. They use these flippers to swim, a lot like a bird uses its wings to fly through the air.
That's right. They also have the tail behind flippers, so moving on that is so easy. Just like that, guys. Now that we know how sea lions move, but blue seals are very different because they have very small front flippers, and their back flippers don't rotate. So that they move a little bit funny.
Now, guys, would you like to see Zoe's imitation of a seal? Alright, Zoe, you heard them. Let's show them. When you're ready, let's show them a seal. There you go.
That's a seal, right?
And this is how a seal walks.
Okay, good imitation there, Zoe. Let's have a nice round of applause for Zoe. Good job. Guys, the Marine Patrol members must also be able to move quickly and gracefully through the water. Let's go for sorry again with Officer David.
Uh-huh.
Self-control.
Self-control. She has self-control.
Oh.
Would you like to see it?
Yes, of course. Go ahead and show us that.
Alright then. Well, folks, if that's Zoe's self-control, Zoe there will. She'll lay down on the deck just like that. And then I'll place 4 very juicy fish right in front of her face. Now, folks, the rule is she can only get a fish at the clap of my hand, and only one at a time. Okay, Zoe, let's start. First fish. Good job. Here's an extra. Okay. Second fish. Alright, you really are listening. Now here comes the tricky part. Listen very carefully, okay? Hey guys, what are you doing? You think you can fool Zoe? Oh, everyone can try. Come on, folks!
Ayaw niya nakuha.
See? Told you she has self-control. Okay, Zoe, now you can have your third fish. Alright, now one more fish to go. And we are... Zoe, we're talking about self-control. Oh, now guys, kinain niyo ba yung last fish? Hey Zoe, tell me, honestly, did you eat it? No! Sabi mo, Zoe, ha? Saan mo na napunta? Ha? Hindi pa alam. Oh, officer, I guess it would be better if I would demonstrate what self-control really is.
Okay, Paolo. But folks, this time it will be more difficult because instead of the floor, I will place the fish on top of Kai's big nose, just like this. Where he can smell it, he can see it, but he cannot get it unless I clap my hands. So folks, let's move, Kai. Come
Come on,
on.
guys.
Louder. See?
Wow, now that is self-control. Folks, how about a big round of applause for a guy and for Dr. Trina. Good job, guys.
Okay, Zoe and Paolo, you can have a little break now.
Well, thank you very much.
We'll see you later.
Yep, see you later.
And I will just wait for Officer Daisy. Okay, folks, to stay in shape, the Marine Patrol likes to compete in exciting contests of strength and agility. That is the Iron Sea Lion Triathlon. So this afternoon, we're looking for a volunteer who thinks they're strong, brave, and also enough to become a member of the Marine Patrol. Oh, we need an adult male, guys. Anyone? Yes, a volunteer over there. The guy wearing the black shirt. Oh, we need an adult male. Okay, we have already. Okay, folks, this is how the contest works. Our volunteer and Kai will compete in a variety of steps. See if that guy has what it takes to become a member of the Marine Patrol. So meaning to say, whatever Kai does, our volunteer needs to do that. Right, guys? Right? Okay. Oh, there you are, sir. Come here. Hi, Sir Dapper. What's your name? Joe. Okay, Sir Joe. Are you ready to show us what a hard body you are? Ready na. Officer Davey. Ready na ba si Guy? No? Need some more, okay, Dave. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Some massage. There you go. Another one. Alright. Are you ready? Okay, ready to see Guy. How about you, Sir Joe? Warm up. Come on. Touch. Okay, ready na? Wala na kayong choice. Now let the dig begin. Round 1. Okay, let's start at easy round. Kaya na gagawin ni Sir Joe? Let's start that first. Okay, Sir Joe, it's your turn. Turn. Okay, go ahead, turn. Come on. Don't worry. Very nice, Sir Joe. Now round 2. The next, Officer Davey. Kailangan namin ng konti. get you? Stop. Napakasimple, Sir Joe.